I am Neha Chaudhary, and I have started this new vertical called Midnight Munching of Thoughts. So जैसे रात को हमें एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्रेविंग होती है, हमें कुछ खाने का मन करता है, सेम एज ये कंसेप्ट चालू किया गया है कि रात वही टाइम होता है जब हमारे दिमाग में बहुत सारे थॉट्स चलते हैं। एंड कभी कभार उन थॉट्स को डायरेक्शन की ज़रूरत होती है, कभी कभार उन थॉट्स को किसी के सुनने की ज़रूरत होती है। एंड दैट्स वाई इन एवरी 15 days वी विल कम लाइव एग्जैक्टली एट 12 AM with different profession of people, so that हमें कुछ अनकही और अनसुनी बातें जानने को मिले। एंड आई एम वेरी मच एक्साइटेड फॉर दिस न्यू वर्टिकल, एंड थैंक you all for coming and joining us. So please welcome Chuck Mohanty urf Sam urf Fake Tattoos.
Hello, hello everyone. Hello, the guests of Go with the Flow.
Yeah, I hope they will go with the flow with us.
Yes,
So, how are you today?
I am good. I was just working as usual because I like to do that. So here I am. How are you?
I'm good too. So we would like to hear something as promised
Yes,
to the
I would
viewers.
like I would like to play an unreleased. I cannot tell you give away the name of the track, but it's coming out on an international label. So I'll play like a snippet of it so everybody can hear it out.
Oh, so this is a lucky day, I guess.
This is not good. You, Kapil. So that's the teaser for now. Not giving away too much.
A round of applause.
Thank you.
And damn sure ये सिर्फ टीजर था, इसका पूरा ट्रैक फायर होने वाला है।
Thank you so
And it's
much.
a super hit for sure.
Yes. For sure. Actually, I've played this on the dance floor and कुछ लोग इसको actually सुना है. Recently, दिल्ली में भी play किया था ये track को. अगर दिल्ली के लोग हैं, दिल्ली वाले लोग सुने होंगे. और I think बैंगलोर में भी play हुआ था last month. अगर बैंगलोर के भी लोग हैं तो इन्होंने सुना होगा जो shows में आए.
Okay, that's nice. But
Yes.
we are कि ये इधर आपने टीजर दिया इसका. So yes, our people are very happy about it.
Fantastic. I am super
So
excited to share as well.
okay, so today we are going to hear some अनकही अनसुनी बातें. Are you ready for that?
Well, totally. Always prepared for these things.
Okay, great. So
Yes.
सबसे I would love to ask, मुझे और सबको ये जानना है, why fake tattoos?
Uh,
What is the reason?
एक्चुअली फेक टैटूज मैंने खुद डिसाइड नहीं किया था एक रैंडम स्ट्रेंजर ने ये नेम दिया था आई स्टिल डोंट नो हाउ द फेस ऑफ द स्ट्रेंजर इज हाउ शी लुक्स लाइक बट आई थिंक कॉमिक कॉन का एक इवेंट होता है कॉमिक कॉन जो सैन फ्रांसिस्को में इंडिया में भी होता है उनका डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कन्वेंशन एवरीवेयर यू हैव बैंगलोर में हैड टेकन पार्ट आई वाज रियली यंग देन अराउंड 22 or 23 आई हैड अ डिफरेंट डीजे नेम देन it was called 5M. First four initials of my name, S was 5. फिर उसके बाद I think the character I was cosplaying was also a very famous DJ. तो he has a lot of real tattoos, but obviously I didn't do it because I had to dress the character. तो वो कैरेक्टर ड्रेसिंग में had a lot of fake tattoos. So someone from the crowd did say, "I love your fake tattoos." तो उधर से नाम आया. I do not know who she is, whatever it is, but the rest is history.
Oh, wow, that's really nice and हमें पता नहीं चलता कब कोई बातें हमें क्लिक हो जाती है
Yes,
and that's why we are doing this session कि आपकी कौन सी बात किसको क्लिक हो जाए और किसकी लाइफ ट्रांसफॉर्म हो जाए we never know about it.
that's really appreciated. You're helping the people to grow further in life.
So I would like to ask एक curiosity है मेरे अंदर
Okay.
कि most of they keep a name other than their real
Yeah.
name. What secret or reason behind it?
I think it was historically probably because artist name before was either a street name or a pseudo name because of something they believed in or something they wanted to portray और समथिंग हु दे आर. ये काफी टाइम से ये कल्चर काफी टाइम से पुराने टाइम से ही है. सो मेरे लिए तो कोई स्पेसिफिक रीजन नहीं है. आई जस्ट गो विद वेंट विद द फ्लो. आई लाइक ओके लाइक दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स बिकॉज़ सम आर्टिस्ट डू कीप देयर रियल नेम एज वेल सो देयर इज नथिंग विद दैट. बट आई थिंक सूडोनेम्स बहुत रखते हैं बिकॉज़ काफी टाइम से ये कल्चर है तो मैंने भी चलो रख लिया.
Follow कर लिया trend को.
फॉलो करें गो विद द फ्लो.
Go with the flow. Oh, that's nice.
यस.
So सब बोलते हैं म्यूजिक एक थेरेपी
यस.
है म्यूजिक सुनने से फर्क पड़ता
या.
है सो आई इज देयर एनी साइंटिफिक रीजन बिहाइंड इट कि कौन सा टाइप का म्यूजिक से क्या इमोशंस में फर्क पड़ता है
I think every music is therapy for some kind of people. Different genres that therapy for different kind of people. Mostly, moreover, music is a therapy for a lot of people because it is something that doesn't have a form. आप आर्ट ले लो लाइक पेंटिंग ले लो या फिल्म्स ले लो या फूड ले लो करने ले लो, सब सब आपको दिखता है. म्यूजिक इज समथिंग दैट यू कैन नॉट सी नीदर यू कैन टच एज वेल. दिस इज समथिंग दैट डजंट हैव एनी फॉर्म. इट्स प्योरली बेस्ड ऑन हियरिंग एंड फीलिंग. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग एल्स इज विजिबल टू योर आई एक्सेप्ट म्यूजिक.
यस
So it has
वाओ
a different respect and connection. People have a different connection to it.
ओके सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक डू यू प्ले स्पेसिफिकली
I specifically on the overall genre play house and techno. Or on the overall genre is called electronic music. और मैंने खुद का genre create किया which is Indian house and techno, but moreover Eastern house and techno because I like the whole sound and Oriental vibe from the East.
ओके
Yeah,
दैट्स नाइस
so there's Middle Eastern influence as well. There's Japanese as well. तो ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ द वर्ल्ड से जो इन्फ्लुएंस है तो वो आपको मेरे म्यूजिक में दिखेगा.
ओके
यस.
सो आई सी कि आप एवरी डे यू आर प्लेइंग इन सम अदर सिटी सम अदर कंट्री सो
या.
यू डोंट गेट टायर्ड बाय योर वर्क बिकॉज मैंने आपको पूछा आप सोते कब हो
हाँ. You don't get tired if you do something you love, right? As in, like, you'll still do it because this is your passion. It's the same way as in, like, father takes care of a child. He's passionate about it. So he'll always take care of his child even when he's tired. So this is my child.
आई कैन अग्री टू दैट
Yeah,
बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो लव ऑफ लाइफ एंड उसके लिए मैं आधी रात को भी जग के काम कर सकती हूँ जैसे मैं अभी कर रही हूँ
totally.
बट देन आई वुड आस्क दैट कि एक लोगों को ऐसा है कि पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को डीजे परस्यू करने नहीं देते
Hmm.
हमारा बच्चा डॉक्टर बनेगा इंजीनियर बनेगा बिकॉज ये लाइन में कुछ श्योरिटी नहीं है देयर विल बी अर्निंग और नॉट सो
Hmm.
बहुत लोगों को फाइनेंशियल इनसिक्योरिटीज है प्रॉब्लम्स है तो वो लोग कैसे परस्यू करें इस पैशन को हाउ वुड यू इंस्पायर देम
बहुत इंडिविजुअल मोस्टली बहुत इंडिविजुअल वर्क चाहिए बिकॉज डीजिंग इज नॉट जस्ट अबाउट डीजिंग या आर्टिस्ट्री ले लो इज नॉट अबाउट परसुइंग अ जॉब. दिस इज समथिंग even an entrepreneur also goes through who is going to start a new brand. So it is almost the same except on a different field. Here this requires a lot more socializing with people, building a fan base. Every industry, every entrepreneurship or enterprise has its different way. But I think a lot of research and development आपको काफी काम पहले करना पड़ेगा and you have to invest a lot of time and energy into it and you have to be ready to sacrifice or let go of a lot of obstacles in your life, including the obstacles of parents denying the fact that they don't want you to pursue this. You have to be very headstrong about it. Otherwise, market is hard, and without being headstrong, you cannot survive in this.
ओके सो गाइस हेड स्ट्रांग आपको जो
Headstrong.
करना करना है
Yeah.
sacrifice everything and just do whatever your heart feels like
Yes.
oh that's awesome so
Yes.
ये बहुत डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन है सो इज देयर
Yeah.
एनी वियर्ड फैन मोमेंट यू हैड इतने साल से आप बजा रहे हैं यू आर डीजेइंग सो any fan moment you want to share with us?
Yes, one of my fans really got angry because she arrived late to the show and had already played one of the tracks, and she entered near the console and she really wanted to me to play the track. So she was very furious and she expressed it that she wanted to hear the track. But in a DJ set, when you've played a track, you usually don't repeat unless and until a lot of mass expects you to repeat.
Hmm.
So since it was a small tight venue, she found her way into the console and she was very angry that I couldn't play, and the show was over. Unfortunately, by then, I could have played, but the show was over. So I have to also abide by the laws and work with the promoters. So I have to find a balance between pleasing the fans and pleasing the venue as well. Yeah.
ओके तो जैसे जैसे आप ऊपर जाते हैं आपका फैन बेस बढ़ता है फेम आता है
Yes.
so think this fame changes people. I'll be very honest about it.
Fame doesn't change people. It reveals who you truly are.
Wow,
Yeah. Yeah.
perfect. Right,
It
yeah.
doesn't change. अगर आप पहले से इगोइस्टिक हो, फेम के बाद आपका ईगो ईगो एक्सपोज हो जाएगा. इट्स जस्ट दैट सिंपल. अगर आप पहले से अच्छे हो, फेम के बाद आपका अच्छा सब, एवरीबॉडी विल सी हाउ काइंड यू आर.
Oh, that's nice.
या.
So what do you believe that आप इतना अच्छा जो कर रहे it's your luck, destiny or hard work?
It's everything actually. There's certain privileges also you can get by the way you are placed. So there's also certain hard work is also involved in this. But I think it's a mixture of both. Like being at the right place at the right time could be your luck, but how you channel that luck and compound it to bigger things is your hard work.
Okay, so
बिकॉज बहुत लोग लकी हो जाते हैं बट उसको कंपाउंड नहीं कर पाते, सो दे हैव अ डाउनफॉल आल्सो दैट वे.
can you explain a little bit what you believe in compounding? I want to know that.
Compounding is in the eighth wonder of the world. It means that a lot of people do work for results, but they do not work to build. So if you work for building, as in like you spread whatever your belief or whatever your work is, you spread across everything. The more you keep doing it, eventually there'll be a time where without you doing it, the results will start showing it. I think the biggest example is in finance and investing and also in networking. So आप अगर if your network is very wide and very vast, maybe at times you don't have a job, but then once you start having results, you'll have too much of it and you can't take care of it. So what is that? Your hard work you compounded over the years. Results बहुत लोगों को जल्दी में नहीं आता, इसलिए वो दिखता नहीं है. Compounding takes time actually.
So don't give up. You want to say that.
Don't give up. I didn't give up after a point of like there was for 6 years I invested a lot of money in my career. Obviously I don't come from a well-to-do family, but मैंने still फिर भी किया, hard work किया. Now I'm at a point of time where I think last year I did like 150 plus shows. There was a point of time कि मुझे और नहीं करना था some shows, but you still have to do because उतने टाइम तक सी इस मेहनत भी नहीं है. एट द सेम टाइम नेटवर्किंग भी किया, फैन बेस भी बढ़ाया, ब्रांडिंग भी बढ़ाई, म्यूजिक भी रिलीज किया, तो हर जगह से वेब फैलता गया. तो वेब जब फैलता है तो फ्रूट्स भी होते जाते हैं. फूड कम्स टू योर वेब एज वेल.
And
दे कीप कमिंग. यस.
so आप जो आपने जो बोला है 6 साल आपने बहुत मेहनत किया यू नो बड़ा नेटवर्क बड़ा है तो इस बीच कहीं पे आपका दिल टूटा है बिकॉज हमारी ऑडियंस ऐसी जो जरूर जानना चाहेगी कि ऐसा कुछ हुआ बिकॉज ये लाइन बहुत फेमस है कि अ, ठुकरा के मेरा प्यार मेरा इंतकाम देखेगी सो आर्टिस्ट और मूवी में ऐसा बहुत बताया जाता है कि दिल टूटता है तब जाके कोई आगे बढ़ता है तो आपके साथ ऐसा कुछ हुआ है
यस डेफिनेटली हुआ है. और मैं खाली इसको फोकस नहीं करूंगा दिल टूटने पे. इट इज मोस्टली कि अगर आपके लाइफ में चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन नहीं आएंगे, हार्ट ब्रेक इज अ चैलेंजिंग सिचुएशन इट बिकॉज इट फोर्सेस यू टू ग्रो. इट्स नॉट अबाउट ब्रेकिंग योर हार्ट विथ योर लवर. इट्स अबाउट लूजिंग योर डॉग ऑल्सो, लूजिंग योर लव्ड वन ऑल्सो, मे बी बिकमिंग ब्रोक एज वेल. वो सब चीजें अगर नहीं आएगी तो आप अपने आप को शायद आपको ट्रिगर पॉइंट नहीं मिलेगा पुश करने का. इफ यू आर कंफर्टेबल यू फॉरगेट दैट यू हैव टू पुश फर्दर. तो हार्ट ब्रेक आपको अनकंफर्टेबल सिचुएशन पे लाता है तो यू आर फोर्स्ड टू ग्रो.
वेरी वेरी वेल सेड सो जो भी सुन रहा है challenges are good.
Challenges are good, heartbreaks are good, sadness is good, everything is good, and every crisis has an opportunity. Just look at it.
नाइस सो जब मैंने आपसे बात की मुझे पहले ही पता चल गया था कि आप बहुत फिलोसॉफिकल इंसान हैं एंड यस यू हैव लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स टू टेल पीपल बट
Okay.
देन वन वे में मैं पूछना चाहूंगी तो आजकल ये रेड फ्लैग एंड ग्रीन फ्लैग बहुत चला हुआ है.
Hmm.
So whatever comes further in your life, any goal. So what green flag will you expect and what red flag you will tell?
First of all, I do not give into, you know, these are very buzzwords, red flag, green flag. I think 10 साल पहले नहीं था. You are a millennial, I'm a millennial. You know, these words were not there. हम लोग
Exactly.
इंसान को उसके नेचर से, उसके बातचीत के तरीके से परखते थे एंड हर चीज में आर्ग्यूमेंट होती है. तो मॉडर्निटी ने क्या किया है, बहुत सारी ये सब यू नो लेबल्स लेके आ गई है, उस हिसाब से ऐसे नहीं करेंगे वैसे नहीं करेंगे. बट इन द एंड बोलूंगा, दिल अगर बोलता है करने के लिए तो करो, इसमें रेड ग्रीन मत देखो.
So Gen Z is red green मत देखो. दिल ने
इफ यू
बोला हाथ.
Yes, yeah, because if it eventually has to lead you to heartbreak, a green flag also can lead you to a heartbreak. 100 ग्रीन फ्लैग्स होगा, आपको दिखाई भी नहीं देगा. तो ये रेड ग्रीन प्लस से देखोगे तो आप रिस्क नहीं लोगे. बिना रिस्क के कैसे इश्क होगा?
रिस्क है तो इश्क है. राइट.
यस,
स्कैम.
यस, यस, यस,
Great, great. It was amazing talking to you, Sam.
यस.
And we had so many छोटी छोटी बातें जो आपने कही है, but it had deep meanings. And I appreciate you a lot because of your work, because of your passion,
थैंक यू सो मच.
because I believe आप बिल्कुल नहीं सोते हो. And that is one thing I really like about you. And your attitude towards life is always risk taking, challenging, go for it, passionate. जो शायद आजकल बहुत कम हो गया, पेशेंस बहुत कम हो गया है लोगों में. वेट नहीं होता है चीजों के लिए कि अब तुरंत चाहिए. सो दैट्स ब्यूटीफुल यू एक्सप्लेन टू अस.
थैंक
सो नाउ बी अ बेनिफिट टू द व्यूअर्स
यू. ओके.
जो भी देख रहे हैं. So they are free to ask you questions for 5 minutes.
यस.
And I request viewers to ask any weird question to Sam. He's ready, always ready, and he's a great communicator. So आपको कुछ सीखने को ही
There's
मिलेगा.
a guy, I think he asked a very nice question. Music by Keanu. Sir, what are the some consistent habits you built in those 6 years of growing your band that help you become successful? The thing is that I didn't decide to be successful or I didn't want to be successful. I wanted to create a brand and I was completely focused on building a brand. Uh, the goal is to become big in a way that you constantly get work, you constantly get fuel. I think success is a byproduct. You can enjoy that sometimes, but don't keep it as like आपको सक्सेसफुल बनना है. बिकॉज क्या होता है ना, जब भी आपको रिजेक्शन होगा ना, वो थॉट प्रोसेस आपके बीच में आ जाएगा. बस आप अपने काम पे ध्यान दो. आई थिंक सक्सेस विल फील लाइक या इट्स जस्ट देयर अ पार्ट ऑफ सेलिब्रेशन. डोंट फोकस ऑन कि सक्सेसफुल बनना है तो लाइफ ऐसी बन जाएगी. वो आपके हाथ में नहीं है.
Hmm,
आपके
very true.
हाथ में योर जॉब, योर मेहनत एंड योर बॉडी एंड योर माइंड इज देयर. सो focus on building and using that. Build a purpose. Success will come automatically.
So I believe in that. Work what is in your control.
Yeah.
उसके बारे में आपके कंट्रोल में है ही नहीं.
Yeah, because what your definition of success might be, you might get it better than that.
या राइट. भगवान ने कुछ बेटर सोचा होगा, आप कम सोच रहे हो.
Yeah, आप शायद कम सोच रहे हो. Yes, आप शायद कम सोच रहे हो. तो आप सिर्फ ड्यूटी पे ध्यान दो.
ओके. कर्म करो, फल की चिंता मत करो. यू वांट टू से.
Exactly. So that is the consistent habit. Just keep working. That's all.
Nice, nice. So there's one more question asked about Nam ने पूछा है. Hi Samprak, please walk us through your creative process when you prepare for a set.
Um, right now, तो अभी 3 albums हो गए हैं. So now the creative process a bit more easy because mostly it's my content. While preparing a DJ set, I literally take buttloads of only my music and my Indian and Eastern music sound. So there's obviously a fixed brand towards it. So that work has become easier. In terms of performing it live, it changes from the vibe because शायद small room में I can start with a different track. In a big room में, I think as a DJ you cannot plan how you are going to do your set unless and until you are just doing music festival. That's a different thing. But if you are playing in different environments, I think you have to have a very strong presence of mind. You have to observe the room very fast and you have to channel your energy that way and channel start your set or create a journey like that depending on the vibe.
So every DJ does that. They just go with the
every
vibe. Get that?
every yeah, mostly every DJ goes with that. Every
Okay.
good DJ goes with that. Every good DJ goes with that. But I think after a level where there are very successful DJs who only do music festivals, their set is set. as in like they plan from before, but because वो लोग music festival कर रहे हैं, people are already there, people are already vibing, so there's not much change required. But I think at my level, so I have a lot of different environments, so I have to, you know, look, I have, my presence of mind needs to be on top.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
Suman Woman is asking, what's your biggest fear?
What is my biggest fear?
Yes.
Um, at the moment, I don't have any. But if you can say that my biggest fear would be uh, being lazy. Actually, I don't want to be lazy. वो
You are
शायद हो
like
सकता है.
that.
No, I'm not really. But then, you know, never, you never know. Someday I might be like, I become so tired and I get into the comfort zone. So you can get lost in your comfort zone. Like how people can get lost in fame, you also can get lost in your comfort zone because it's so comfortable. So I think that could be my fear.
Oh wow. This
Yeah.
this answer I've heard.
Yeah.
So Hitesh wants to ask you that what challenges did you face in the techno electronic music industry being an Indian? Oh, I love this.
Uh, I think for foreign countries, our passport needs to be really strong because पास ऑफर्स तो बहुत आते हैं बट टाइम पे आधे चीजें एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हो पाते बिकॉज पासपोर्ट चले जाते हैं और पासपोर्ट वीजास टाइम पे नहीं आते तो वो एक प्रॉब्लम है. आई थिंक विद टाइम अभी रिसेंटली रशिया ने वीजा फ्री करने वाला है इंडिया के लिए. आई थिंक विद टाइम इफ द पासपोर्ट गेट्स स्ट्रॉन्गर आई थिंक दैट्स द बिगेस्ट चैलेंज. आई थिंक एवरी अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियन आर्टिस्ट आर वेरी टैलेंटेड बट आई थिंक ये बहुत बड़ा ब्लॉकेज है बहुत सारे टैलेंटेड इंडियन आर्टिस्ट लोग के लिए.
ये मेरा क्वेश्चन है, आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस, आपने इंडियन और फॉरेन आर्टिस्ट दोनों के साथ काम किया है,
यस.
तो व्हाट डू यू लाइक अबाउट देम एंड व्हाट डू यू डिसलाइक अबाउट देम?
इंडियन
नॉन
आर्टिस्ट के साथ नॉन इंडियन आर्टिस्ट के साथ नॉन लीनियर थिंकिंग बहुत है तो आइडियाज एक्सचेंजेस बहुत हो सकते हैं वेर एज लाइक द क्रिएटिव जूस इज मोर विद इंडियन आर्टिस्ट
ओके.
बिकॉज डाइवर्सिटी अपने कंट्री में डाइवर्सिटी है तो एवरीबडीज जीन्स probably have it. With foreigner artists I think it's more they are more organized so it's a linear path तो mostly टाइम पे ट्रैक कंप्लीट हो जाता है so both have their own benefits.
ओके,
Yeah,
नाइस.
it's a shorter process. It's a shorter process. ज्यादा confusion नहीं है. उनको पता है क्या चाहिए, हमको भी पता है क्या चाहिए. So I'm flexible on both ends.
ओके, that's
Yeah,
nice.
yeah,
So Daljit is asking, which software do you use for your production? Thanks in advance. See, we have this kind of questions also, guys. You'll get some knowledge also.
okay, I use FL Studio 11. Sometimes I've used FL Studio 20 as well. It's called Fruity Loop Studio. Um, it's been one of the first few electronic softwares. I think a lot of people use it. Yeah,
Okay.
that's
So
the answer. I mean, that's the software name,
I
literally.
hope you got the answer. So this is nice. I didn't know that some Mona Darlin is asking, first time 100 artists will be playing at Kulu, and you're the
Okay,
one. So how's your feeling about it?
I'm the one. As in, I think the question is not clear.
So
I'm the one. As in, like, I'm there in the lineup.
yeah,
I'm very
you're one
excited.
of them.
Oh yeah, yeah.
She meant one of them.
Or like that. Oh
So
yeah, it's my second time playing in that festival, and I have played in that festival before. I have played in the resort before. It's a wonderful view. There's a, sea flowing next to it, like Jharna river flowing next to it, and there's mountains. और बहुत अच्छा vibe है. और बहुत ठंड भी होती है मजा आता है.
nice.
Yeah,
So he's excited about it. Yeah. So Buddha be with you is want to ask you. I also wanted to ask you that your
yeah.
favorite artist and favorite track.
My favorite what?
Artist and favorite track.
My favorite artist and my favorite track. Can it just be outside techno, or it has to be only techno?
Whatever you wish to say.
गेम ऑफ थ्रोन्स का एक साउंड ट्रैक है लाइट ऑफ द सेवन. आई रियली लाइक इट. बहुत सुनता हूँ मैं उसको. आई एंड यू नो इट इंक्रीजेस माय फोकस आई फील बिकॉज इट्स orchestral and it has very good western classical elements in it and there is a lot of emotions in that track. Ramin Djawadi, who is the composer of Game of Thrones and House of Dragon and a lot of very big movies, he's he's a very good storyteller, so I really use this track to increase my focus in life.
तो आपने फोकस की बात की, आप एक छोटा सा फटाफट बता सकते हैं सैम कि कैसा म्यूजिक से कैसा इम्पैक्ट आता है, लाइक फॉर व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक इंक्रीजेस फोकस, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक रिलैक्स योर माइंड एंड व्हाट काइंड ऑफ म्यूजिक लिफ्ट्स अप योर मूड?
I think that depends from person to person. To a lot of people, Sufi music is very what do you call healing. To a lot of people who don't know Sufi music, it's not healing for them. But I'll say from my experience only, I actually listen to a lot of brown noise. It's just, sometimes when I'm in flight and I'm reading, I don't listen to music, but Spotify has this playlist where it's just noise, like so brown noise is basically sound of while you are in flights, or it's the sound of wind. So that's what's called brown noise or desert noises. So while I'm wanting to focus, I just listen to that noise for like hours. It's just nothing. Nothing moves there.
Okay,
Yeah,
interesting.
that's for focus. That's from people to people. And then, different moods have different music. I do listen to a lot of Bollywood Urdu music as well. It's phenomenal, I feel. Very poetic. And then I have this Western classical, which I listen to as well.
Okay, so I guess many of what will take last one or two.
Yeah.
So Umang wants to ask you, how do you plan to expand your reach in this extremely competitive space? Yes, ये इसमें बहुत competition है, लोग आने से भी डर रहे हैं.
Hmm.
So how do you कि आगे कैसे बढ़ना है?
Uh, Build your brand. I would say once you build your brand, I think the people in your life or your fans will guide you how to build the brand further, because आप पहले से सिर्फ एक साल का ही प्लानिंग कर सकते, 6 साल का प्लानिंग नहीं कर सकते. Like right now I'm touring internationally, so I am also observing what is international crowd liking, and based on seeing that, without compromising my brand, I will also walk through that journey myself. I think patience is required. Temperament is very important. This is a long game. If you want to play a short game, uh, I don't know the formula for that, but since I'm playing the long game, I'm very patient about it. I'm okay with not being famous tomorrow. I want to focus on building my brand. I want to create loyal fans. So I need to observe what is happening in my network and my circle, or wherever I get placed in new things. Based on that, I can build a formula after that. If I'm into new spaces, I can build a formula after that only. I cannot judge it before going there.
Nice. So you just go with the flow, I guess.
I guess go with the flow, and then, decide a plan, sit down and sit with your team and make a plan of how to proceed.
Nice. So the last
Yes.
question we take, Ankit is asking, what is your say for the DJs coming out of India, killing it overseas too?
I am very happy to see that India has the largest youth right now, and I feel using that fan base, every Indian DJ should. We had a small power cut.
There's some glitch,
Sorry, we had a small. It'll come back. Give me 1 minute. It'll come back.
but you're visible. You can talk. It's okay.
1 second. It'll come back.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're back.
Yeah. Please tell us.
Yes. What was the question again? Indian artists killing overseas.
Yes.
Yeah, I think India has the largest use right now. Every Indian artist who is doing well should use that and grow their fan bases and show it to the world, that and use it for their advantage. I'd be really happy to see that, because it benefits all of us. It 5 6 artists alone cannot kill it outside the world, because the competition is, like somebody in the previous question, in the previous guy said, the competition is really rough. If more artists start doing shows internationally, it benefits us collectively.
Very true.
Yeah.
I guess you want to take one question, or
Yeah, sure.
how do you how do you stay current with music trends and discover new tracks to incorporate into your sets? Mohit is
Uh,
asking.
Honestly speaking, do not focus on trends. If you are a pop artist, if you are creating a pop genre, if you want to stay on trend, yes, you need to obviously currently, go by how Instagram has this thing. But if you have a different sound, I think trend shouldn't matter to you. You build your own thing, and that's how you will have your uniqueness and your unique fan base. But if you're a commercial DJ, yeah, you need to stay updated. You need to be with that network, and you need to not focus on different industry. Like choose your lane, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's great, Sam. I guess we'll just cut it off here.
Okay,
It was
awesome.
amazing talking to you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you for your insightful thoughts, and thank you for accepting our request to
Yes.
come. And you're the first one, and I am hoping you're the most lucky one for me. And
I hope that.
के जैसे लोग और हो और लोगों को इंस्पायर करने में इंटरेस्टेड हो एंड आई थिंक वर्ल्ड विल बी अ बेटर प्लेस अगर हम सब अपना पार्ट थोड़ा 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 कुछ करें तो
Always. Purpose is everything.
यस purpose is everything, guys, and compounding is the eighth wonder of the world. Remember
Yes.
that. Okay,
All
and
right.
please come to Ahmedabad. People are requesting. Please
I will
come
come
to
to
Ahmedabad.
Ahmedabad very soon. Hi to the fans in Ahmedabad. So I hope to see you very soon as well.
Okay, great. Nice talking
Yes.
to you. Yeah.
So see you. Good
Thank
night.
you. Thank you for asking interesting questions, and we loved it. Thank you.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
Bye.
Bye.